found the perfect driving road, what would you choose to drive it? Now, I've done it. I literally have found the perfect driving road. Lots of changes in elevation, hairpins, just awesome. There's never anybody on it and it is just so much fun to drive. Now I'm going to show you me driving it. The interesting part is I'm only showing you the road. I'm not showing you what I've chosen to drive it in, and I'd like all of you nerds to guess what I'm driving purely from the engine sound. Thought it'd be a bit of a laugh. Obviously our 3 subscribers will know what the car is, so don't read the comments. Someone will know straight away what it is, but don't read the comments. Do it genuinely. I'll be very interested to see what you think I've chosen to drive it in. Could be anything. What would you choose as well? Put it in the comments, and here I go.